Loggers have always needed roads big enough to take the weight of the 150-ton trucks, but they have to be built using local materials and without any cement. The roadbeds are made of large rocks, while the surface is dressed with much finer, more tyre-friendly material. However, as the roads get used, the surface is reduced to a lung and machinery clogging dust. Once the rock face has been turned into a gruyere of channels, Rick and his team can get on with what they seem to regard as being the most enjoyable part of their work: blowing things up. Doesn't bother you dropping those then?
No. It's ammonium nitrate, so it's not very volatile. It's not like nitro. It's made into an emulsion. It's so that it's water resistant. It's almost like a plasticine.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this is safer than dynamite, is it?
Yes. Very much.
So this is safer than dynamite?
The blasting and drilling, I guess about 19 years. But I've been out here for 30.
And tell me, when you were a kid, were you the sort of kid who mucked about with fireworks?
Oh, you betcha. I used to love fireworks.
What are you doing now?
Okay, just putting the cap inside the stick. That'll be the first one that goes into the hole. And then we'll put about 10 more behind it.
Okay.
And we'll be doing that for each and every one of these holes. Then we'll tie it in sequence so that all the holes go off separately.
Is it going to be or just a puff or what?
Well, actually, probably what you'll see, if we can get a good enough view of it with your camera, every one of these has got powder inside it. These plastic tubes that go down to the blasting cap. When it goes off, you'll see a spark of light going through each and every one of these tubes as they go along. And then what you should see is a flash of flame coming out of each of the holes. And then when that happens, then all of a sudden you're going to just see everything start to move. The rock will swell, and then it'll let go, and there'll be rock and dust and dirt and all kinds of neat things. And when the lights stop, green one on, there you go. That's it.
Really what I'm sweating on?